back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Derick. I'm a front-end engineer based out of Los Angeles, and in today's video I'm continuing my series of Method Mondays where I go over every single array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on our list for today, we're taking a look at CONCAT. So let's just hop right into our editor and get into it. All right, so CONCAT, it returns a new array by joining the original array with one or more additional arrays or values. So basic concatenation. It does not mutate the original array, so it is a immutable operation. You can concatenate arrays and or individual values in one call, and it performs a shallow copy, so object references are preserved. Okay, when to use. You're gonna wanna use concat when you want to merge arrays or add items without modifying the original data. So yeah, for our first example, let's use concat with numbers. Let's say we have a variable called base numbers, which is just an array of numbers. And let's say we have one other, which is just more numbers. It's just another array full of numbers. We're going to concatenate these. So let's get a new variable. We'll just call it combined, which is going to equal our first variable of base numbers. Then we're going to hit it with our concat method and then pass into concat more numbers. And then we can take combined and log it to the console. And there we have it. We get our fully concatenated array built from our two previous array base numbers and more numbers. So it just concatenates things. It puts them together. So very simple. So that was with numbers. What about strings? Same deal as before. Let's give ourselves two variables with some data. One is an array of strings and then one is just a string. We've got greeting parts and name part. Let's give ourselves a variable. We'll just call this message parts, which is going to equal greeting parts hit with our concat method and then passed to it name part. Now let's log this to the console and see if this works correctly. And there we have it, our concatenation. We've got hello and Derick. So we're working with strings. We have an array of one string, but then just a standalone string. It does the same thing. It's going to concatenate whatever data you pass to it. And for our last example, let's work with objects. Let's say we have two variables, one called defaults, one called user overrides, each equal an array containing one object with one key value pair, and that key's value is a string. Very simple. Let's create a variable called, we'll call it settings, which is going to equal our first array of defaults, hit with our concat method, and passed to concat is going to be our user overrides. And then we'll just log that to the console. And I'm not getting the, I'm missing an S here. It's settings, not setting. There we go. And okay, we got an array of two objects. Let's open that up. And it's both of our variables concatenated together in one array, theme dark, theme light, index 0 and index 1. And there you have it. That's concat. Pretty simple. It just concatenates things together. So devs, that's going to do it for concat. If you found this helpful, definitely like this video. I will link the code down in the description and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.